Welcome. In this video, we'll discuss how to find the sum of the angles in a polygon. First, we have to remember what we learned last week, that any triangle has 180 degrees. We can use this to find the sum of the angles in a polygon by dividing the polygon into triangles. Let's look at an example. I started by drawing a hexagon. In that hexagon, I drew diagonals from just one vertex. That divided my shape into triangles. 1A, how many triangles are in this hexagon? In this hexagon, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Remember, each triangle has 180 degrees. This means I can find the sum by multiplying the number of triangles by 180 to find the total number of degrees in my hexagon. I'm going to take 4 times 180. That tells me there's 720 degrees total in this hexagon. Let's try another one. Again, we're going to start by counting the number of triangles. This polygon has 5 triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees. I can find the sum by multiplying my 5 triangles times 180. This polygon has a sum of 900 degrees. Now, it doesn't make sense to have to draw in the triangles in every polygon. We might not always have a picture, or we might have a figure that has a large number of sides. There's actually a formula that lets us do this. To find the sum of the angles in a polygon, we're going to subtract 2 from the number of sides. This is the number of triangles. Then we multiply that by 180. Let's use this formula to find the sum of the angles in a polygon with 12 sides. So we start off by finding the number of triangles, which is 12 minus 2. There will always be 2 less triangles than the number of sides. If we have 12 sides, we have 10 triangles. Then we'll find the sum. We take the number of triangles, which was 10, times 180. That means that a polygon with 12 sides has a total of 1,800 degrees. Let's do another one. Find the sum of the angles in a polygon with 22 sides. We start by subtracting 2 from the number of sides. If there's 22 sides, that means there's 20 triangles. To find the sum of the angles, we're going to take the number of triangles and multiply it by 180. 20 times 180 equals 3,600. In a polygon with 22 sides, there is a total of 360 degrees. Let's take this a step further. In a regular polygon, all the sides and angles are equal. We can find the measure of each angle by dividing. Step 1, we start with exactly what we were doing above. We're going to find the sum. That means we subtract 2 from the number of sides and multiply by 180. Step 2, we divide the sum by the number of angles, which is the same as the number of sides. Let's find the measure of each angle in a regular polygon with 15 sides. Step A, find the number of triangles. The number of triangles is 2 less than the number of sides. So 15 minus 2 gives us 13 triangles. To find the sum, we'll take our 13 triangles times 180. A polygon with 15 sides has 2,340 degrees. Now we're going to find each angle. In a regular polygon, each angle is the same. We'll take our sum from part B divided by the number of sides. In this case, we're going to take 2,340 degrees divided by 15 sides. That equals 156. So a regular polygon with 15 sides has each angle that is 156 degrees.